Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, today our topic is cause of casteism. Before discussing the cause of casteism, I want to tell you basic concept of the casteism. Dear students, casteism is a blind group, loyalty towards one's own caste and subcaste, which does not care for the interest of the other castes and seeks to realize the social, economic, political and other interests of its own castes. Now we discuss the cause of caste. Dear students, some of the cause of the caste are as follows. Number one, sins of the caste prestige. The most important cause of the casteism is the desire of the people who belonging to a particular caste to enhance the prestige of their own caste. Dear students, the prestige of the caste can be maintained only on the ground when a particular caste provides all possible privileges, opportunities to its caste members in order to improve their social status in the society. This tends to increase the casteism. For example, among the Hindus, Brahmanas have kept the sins of casteism constant. Number two, dear students, means of propagation. Like the commercial TV channels, commercial magazines, and the newspapers plays a vital role in propagating the feeling of caste among the peoples. As I say, this is not tough for the private TV channels. As we see, private TV channels are well experts to do Hindu-Muslim on TV debates. Number third, dear students, urbanization. Tendency to urbanization, it becomes possible for all castes to collect large numbers in towns. Dear students, sometimes the members of various castes come direct face to face with each other, which led to increase the casteism. This also happens in our locality. When two caste groups come to face each other, the feeling of casteism increase. Number four, marriage restrictions. Marriage restrictions plays an important role in the development of the casteism, and it turns the every caste into a monogamous group in which each individual looks himself as related in some ways to all others. For this reason, solidarity within the caste group increases, which turns the encouragement of the casteism. For example, in the caste system, people come forward to help each other only and only as a member of the caste, not to help on the basis of humanity. These are the 4 points of the cause of the caste. Now, our second topic is suggestions to remove the casteism from our society. We can remove the caste system from our society in the following ways. Dear students, first of all the political parties should stop the using the casteism in election, which leads tension and confusion among the various castes. Number 2, dear students, people should get better education to elect the better leaders who could do something better for their welfare. Number 3, dear students, laws related to casteism should be properly implemented. Strict action must be taken against those who encourage the casteism. Number 5, intercaste marriages should be encouraged. Number 5, government should stop to provide the financial help on the basis of casteism. This is all of today's lecture. Thank you.